Good afternoon, I'm Riza Diaz. This is One News Now. Following the police order to monitor social media for violation of quarantine protocols, the Joint Task Force COVID Shield has now created a Facebook page where violators can be reported. Police Lieutenant General Guillermo Eliazar said the page will be a platform for netizens to immediately report the public drinking sessions, large parties, illegal gambling, and other violations. He explained that this move will help empower the public to help the government in the enforcement of protocols and help their respective communities against the risk of COVID-19 transmission. Eliazar added that the identity and other information of people who would report violations will be protected and that no violation of private privacy will be named. Now, the Department of Health reports the number of COVID-19 cases in the country has now surpassed the 260,000 mark, as the agency also tallied another surge of recoveries. Over 3,000 new infections were recorded today, bringing total of 261,216 cases. Of these, almost 50,000 are active cases. Meanwhile, the country now has over 200,000 recovered patients after another so-called mass recoveries, with more than 20,000 tallied today. 79, however, lost to the battle of COVID-19, raising the death toll to over 4,000. An expert warns that Cebu province may see another surge in COVID-19 cases, as apparently many do not follow health protocols. Cebu Medical Society spokesperson Dr. Peter Mancao said many residents are not wearing face masks nor observing social distancing. Because of this, Mancao reminded Cebuanos that even if the province is under a lenient MGCQ, the threat of contracting the virus still remains. Recall that a few months ago, Mancao revealed that Cebu city hospitals are already over their maximum capacity and that health workers' morale are down because of the increasing number of patients. As of September 11, Cebu has the highest number of infections in Visayas, with 573 active cases and 327 deaths. Now, in other news, President Rodrigo Duterte and the Chinese Defense Chief Wei Fenghe agreed that a code of conduct in South China Sea is key to peace and stability in the region. Wei paid a courtesy call to the president last Friday after arriving in Manila last week as part of a series of visits to select Southeast Asian countries. These follows the rise in tension rose in disputed territories in South China Sea, as the Philippines, China, Brunei, Taiwan, Indonesia, and Vietnam have overlapping claims. Now, during their meeting, Duterte reiterated the international law must be followed. Wei, meanwhile, pointed out the importance to China of its warm relations with the Philippines. He also met with Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana, and both agreed to resolve disputes amicably. Now, for more updates, follow News 5, the Philippine Star, and the Business World Online. You may also visit our website, onenews.ph, for more in-depth analysis. You can also catch One News on a Signal Play app. Register now for a free account at www.signalplay.com and stream One News live anytime, anywhere. I'm Riza Diaz. We are One News.